Keena, and welcome back to The Antidote, the cannabis cooking show that makes medicating delicious. I am back with you guys for season 2, and I'm excited to continue teaching you guys recipes for cooking with cannabis in the comfort of your own home. I'm excited to try out some new foods this season, and I really want to know, what do you want to eat? So let me know in the comments or over on my Instagram page, what is it that you guys want to see me cook? For today's recipe, I'm going to be making a summer salad because, I mean, it's already like mid-August and I'm trying to hold on to as much summer as possible. So I'm going to be making a fresh summer salad with the homemade cannabis vinaigrette. Let's get started. The ingredients you need for this recipe are fresh baby spinach, sliced almonds, poppy seeds, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 shallot, 1/4 cup balsamic vinegar, grilled chicken, strawberries, and to mitigate this recipe, I'll be using 1/2 cup of cannabis olive oil. To get started, I'm just going to dice up this shallot. Now that the shallots are ready, I'm going to go ahead and put all of these ingredients for the vinaigrette into this salad dressing shaker. Now, this just makes it nice and easy, and it's easy to clean up when I'm making the dressing, but you can totally use a bowl and a fork or a bowl and a whisk, but this is just super easy and they're really inexpensive, and you just dump everything in and give it a good shake. Now that we've got everything inside, I'm just going to put the lid on and give it a really good shake. Now I'm just going to set this to the side in the fridge while I prepare the rest of the salad. I'm going to start by slicing up the strawberries. You just take the tops off. I like to slice my berries into quarters. I think they're just prettier that way. Now it's time to put our summer salads together, and I'm going to start with our fresh berries. And I'm just going to give it a little toss before adding the chicken. Now you can feel free to leave out the chicken if you're vegetarian or vegan or just trying to cut back on calories and just use the sliced almonds for protein, but I'm going to be adding some chicken. Next, I'll add the almonds and poppy seeds. I'm going to give the salad a little toss and then plate some for myself. Now it's time for the best part, the cannabis vinaigrette. I'm only going to be using a little bit because this recipe made a dressing that is 22 milligrams of THC per tablespoon. All right, let's give this summer salad a taste. Make sure I get some strawberry. That is good. It's just the right amount of sweetness on that vinaigrette, and I love the crunch of the almonds. Alright guys, that's a wrap on our Spinach Summer Salad. Let me know in the comments how you like this recipe and what other yummy foods you like to see this season, and I'll be glad to give them a try. I'm gonna get out of here and eat my lunch per usual. And I'll see y'all next time on The Antidote. Bye!